I'm feeling lazy to digest anything. Brain? Yes, Samak, what's up? Can you send something that is easy to digest, flavorful, tasty, warm and keeps me happy? Sure, let me send the signal. Also, I have one small recommendation. Can you try for Little Millet? You both are becoming best buddies nowadays. Yeah, she understands me. Done. I want to have something different today.
First, wash and soak 1 cup of Little Millet for 30 minutes and also soak lemon-sized tamarind. Now get your spices, onion, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, oil ready for the meal. Now heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. In this, add 1 tablespoon of ajwain, 2 red chilies, few curry leaves, 3 chopped green chilies, chopped ginger, 5 garlic cloves and fry them. A flavorful journey has just started. In this, add 1 big sliced onion and mix well. To this, add salt as required and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and mix well. While this gets cooked, take tamarind extract and add to this. Cook it for 2 minutes and add 250 ml of water. Now add the soaked little millets and mix thoroughly. Close the lid and cook the millets with this flavorful mix for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check for the salt requirement and leave for another 2 minutes in a sim flame. By now, your tongue must be dancing to the aroma. Sit in a comfortable position and enjoy this.